Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Smart Tech. As always, today I have been present in front of you with all the necessary things. Yes friends, you may have been seen through the headlines or thumbnails. That's what I mean to say, how to move the taskbar. Okay, by default, the taskbar on Windows computers, also known as the dock on Mac OS X, is located across the bottom of your screen, but can be relocated based on your personal preference. The taskbar can be moved at any time using the appropriate commands on your Windows or Mac computers. I am currently using Windows 10. Okay, let's get started. Right click anywhere on an empty space in the taskbar and select Taskbar Settings. This will open the taskbar settings page. Then scroll down and find out the taskbar location on screen. It is located under the Show Pages on Taskbar buttons. Then click on the drop-down menu. Select bottom or left or right or top based on where you want the taskbar displayed on the desktop. Thank you very much for staying so long with us. Subscribe to Smart Tech and click on the bell icon beside the subscribe button to get our latest technology related videos first.